Hello traders, Igor here, MrTOPTICK.com. We are currently awaiting the Federal Reserve decision regarding interest rates. They are expected to raise the rates by 75 basis points. There's really not a lot going on right now. I am, however, going to go ahead and sell an out-of-the-money put in the spiders. This is part of the campaign that I'm running. As the market has been coming down in the last couple of weeks, I have been accumulating new positions, but some of the positions that I have open right now have not been hitting their profit targets. So I'm going to show you what my current inventory looks like. So I currently have 23 short naked puts. These puts are in the 21st of October expiration cycle with 30 days to go. I have a number of positions in the November 18th expiration cycle with 58 days to go. I'm going to continue to add positions in the November 18 expiration cycle with 58 days up until December gets down to about 70 days, maybe 65 days. Basically, when November runs down to about 45 to 50 days, I'm going to start to put on positions in December expiration. Here are the positions that I'm currently holding. So I have in October, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 positions in October, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions in November. I'm going to add one more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose November 18th expiration cycle. As you can see, these are my positions, and I already have exit orders that are entered. Right when I enter the trade, my exit order goes in automatically, and I'll show you in just a second what my template looks like. I'm looking for a credit of my target credit is about $1.25 to $1.50. I do have the short 310, which is at $1.20. I already have short 315, which is currently at about $1.39. I don't really want to add any more to the strikes that I already have open. I may just go, and I don't have a short 320. This one is currently going for about $1.62. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on 320. I'm going to go to select custom. These are my templates that I have. So I have a Income Navigator short SPY out of the money put. Once I click on that, as you can see, I have a sell to open order, November 18th expiration. Strike price is 320. It's a put, currently going for about $1.61. And this is a day order. And then I have my initial order, which is sell to open, is going to trigger the sequence. My sequence is only made of one order, which is buy to close. This exact same option at 80% of whatever I'm going to collect. So let's say if I collect $1.62, the exit order is going to go in as a GTC order at 80% of whatever my fill price is going to be. And that's going to be a limit price, good till cancel. So what I'm doing, I'm selling to open one November 18th 320 put for $1.62. That's where the bid is. And I'm going to automatically enter an order to close at 80% of my fill price. I was filled at $1.62. My order went in to close, and as you can see, I have a buy to close SPY November 18 320 put at 80% of $1.62, which is a 32-cent limit. It's going to stay there for at least 6 months. We don't have that much time, but GTC orders are usually held for about 6 months. So it'll be outstanding for the next this is 58 days. So either I'm going to get out at 32 cents, or if the trade goes against me, I will need to make a decision whether or not I'm going to consider taking an assignment of 100 shares of SPY at $320 a share.